Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to share someone's profile in Tango. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Tango application. Now click on the profile of the person that you want to share. Click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner. Tap on Share Profile option. Now select the person to whom you want to share this profile. And that is how you can share someone's profile in Tango. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.